going to ensure that the door comes to a controlled stop when it reaches the final position at either end of the track. This will prevent the door from slamming and will keep it in place when the door is in the open or closed position. First, we inserted the set screws into the holes on the mounting brackets. Next, we mounted the soft close unit behind the track between the last and second last spacer on the right hand side of our track, ensuring that the angled lever was facing left. Using the hex wrench, we tightened the set screws on the mounting brackets. We then moved the door to the end of the track, resting it against the door stop, and marked the center point of the catch gap on our door to determine the placement of the first actuator. We then repeated the process for the left-hand side of the track, ensuring that our angled lever was facing right. Again, we marked the door at the point of the catch gap to determine the placement of the second actuator. We then took the door off the track and mounted the actuators to the top of the door, with the arms facing the back of the door. We centered the actuators so that the arms lined up with our marks on the door. We then mounted the door back on the track and tested to make sure that the actuators were catching the levers on our soft close units. We now have a controlled open and close for our barn door installation. No bouncing or slamming when the door reaches the end of the